Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's see the objectives of today's video. In today's video, we are going to see what is number maintenance, how to configure number maintenance for a table, and how to make a field work as number field. So let's begin with what is number maintenance. Number maintenance means we are going to associate a record with a number, and this will be a unique identifier for that record. Okay, each record of a table will be associated with a number, and that number will be a unique identifier for that record. For example, if we go to our personal developer instance and click on all navigation menu, and in the filter navigator type change, let's open all change. Okay, now if you know the number of a record or a change request number, you can easily find that record here with the help of number field. Here you type that number and click on enter. You will see the record associated with that particular number. Now this will also help in global search. In the header you can see global search is available, and if you type number here, you can see that result is coming up, and if you can click on view results, it will take us to that exact record. Okay, so number maintenance is helping us to find a record easily. With the help of this, we can track a record easily, and number maintenance is automatic. There is no manual effort here. Once you configure a number maintenance, each record of a table will be automatically associated with the number. You don't need to append a number manually. It will be automatic. Okay, so these are the benefits of number maintenance functionality in ServiceNow. Now let's see the demo of it. For the demo, what we are going to do is that we are going to create an employee table which will contain fields or column, number, employee ID, and name. So let's quickly create an employee table. Before we begin, there are two ways to configure number maintenance for a table. Okay, one is when we are creating a table. We are going to see when we are creating an employee table, then we are going to configure a number maintenance, and there is a dedicated module for number maintenance in which you can see all the number maintenance for all the tables of ServiceNow. Now let's open our personal developer instance and click on all navigation menu. In the filter navigator type sys_db_object.list. In capitals, it's going to open all the list of records of tables. In new tab, click on new button. Here in the label type employee. Okay, name will be auto populated, and we are going to save this record by clicking on header, select save. Okay, our employee table is created. Now to create a number maintenance, click on controls section, and here you can see a checkbox that is auto number. Once we click on this, we are going to be presented with three fields or columns: prefix, number, and number of digits. Okay, prefix is auto populated by default. These are the values. So how prefix is calculated is that it's going to take the first three letters of the label. Okay, that's how in the capitals EMP. By default, number will be 1000, means the number will begin from 1000, and number of digits will be 7. After EMP, there will be 7 digits. Okay, we are going to save this. Once we save this, you are going to see a message: added new column number. So in the columns, a new column is added automatically, and that column label is number. Okay, let's quickly create two fields that we have to create: employee ID and name. So click on new button, type string, column label will be name, column name will be auto populated, max length 20, submit. Next column is employee ID. Okay, type a string, column label will be employee ID, column name will be auto populated, max length 20, submit. Okay, now let's open form of employee table. If we scroll down, we can see related links. We can use show form. So once we click on this, you can see number field is auto populated. Okay, means when you're going to create this record will be associated with this number. And you can see that the prefix is emp, number of digits are 7, and the number is starting with 1000. So in this manner, we can configure a number maintenance for a table. Let's see the number maintenance module now. If we click on all navigation menu and in the filter navigator type number maintenance, we are going to see in system application number maintenance module. Once we click on this, we are going to be presented with the list of all the number maintenance which are configured for tables. And we can see that for employee table, this is the record. Okay, now if you wanted to create a number maintenance from here for a table, what you can do is that click on new button, select the table, select the prefix, select the number and number of digits. We have seen prefix, number and number of digits there also when we are creating a table. Okay, in here you have to select a table for which you are going to create a number maintenance. Okay, so from here also you can configure a number maintenance for a table. Now let's see how to make a field work as a number field. How we can make a field that is presented in a table to work as a number field. So we have seen in employee table we have number, employee ID and name. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to make employee ID to work similar to number field, and that number field is auto created when we configure number maintenance for employee table. Now how can we make employee ID to work same as number field or number column? Okay, let's go back to our employee table, configure table. We have number field available here, and in the default value this is the code is written. And if default value column is not available, you can click on gear icon and bring default value column here. Okay, now you can see this is the code that is written for number field that was automatically created. So all you have to do is that you have to copy this code and you have to go to employee ID, and in the default value you have to paste this code. Okay, now you have to save. Right now this thing is not saved. Okay, we have to save it. So right click on the header and save. Once we save this, now if we open form of this table, you're going to see number is auto populated and employee ID is auto populated. Okay, and this is automatic, no need of manual work. This is automatically adding a number by seeing the previous records. Okay, so that's how you can make a field to work as a number field. So we have covered all the objectives of today's video. So this is the end of the video. If you like this video, do share the video with others. Subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.